Hello student, today we will solve practice set 5.3, a second sum, right, of simplified. That's why here the sum is 3r minus 2k cube plus 3r plus 2k cube, right, and we have to solve this. Right, so there are two parts. That is, in the first bracket we will use the formula a minus b the whole cube, and in the second we will use the formula a plus b the whole cube, right. So now you know the formula, so I am not writing that. I will solve for this. If you look carefully, instead of a 3r is there, and instead of b 2k is there, right. So in the formula, wherever there is a we will write 3r, and wherever there is b we will write 2k, right. So I will write here, right, and now I will directly write, that is a cube. A cube means 3r cube minus 3ab square, right. So I will write here 3 into, right, a square. A square is what? 3r square into b. B is what? Our 2 plus 3ab square, right. So I will write here 3 into a is what? Our 3r, and b square. B square is what? Our 2k square. And then I will write here minus b cube. B cube is what? 2k, right. I hope you have understood this, right. Then here plus is there, so I will write here plus, and then I will solve for this, right. So what is there? 3r plus 2k cube, right, means a plus b the whole cube, right. So here instead of a 3r is there, and instead of b 2k is there, right. So I will write here a cube. A cube means 3r cube plus 3 into a square b. A square b means what? 3r square into b. B is what? Our 2k plus here I will write here 3ab square, right. So 3 into a is what? Our 3r into b square is what? 2k square, and plus b cube. B cube means what? 2k cube, right. So now I will try to solve this. So here 3r cube, right. First I will do the cube of 3, then I will write the cube of r, right. So 3 cube is 27, so 27r cube minus, right. So here first 3 into 2k I will multiply this, and then I will multiply I will do the cube square of 3r. So 3 into 2k is 6k multiplied by 3r square, right. So 3 square is 9, and r square is r square, plus here 3 into 3r into square of 2k we have to do. So first I will multiply these two, that is 3 into 3r, right. So 3 3s are 9r multiplied by 2k square. 2 square is 4, and k square is k square, minus, right. So here 2k cube, right. So first I will do the cube of 2, then I will do the cube of k. So 2 cube is 8, and k cube is k. Then plus I will write this, right. There is again 3r cube, right, that is 27r cube, plus again same I will do, that is I will multiply 3 into 2k first, and then I will do the square of 3r square. So 3 into 2k is 6k multiplied by 9. 3r square is 3r square is nothing but 3 square is 9, and r square is r square, plus 3 into 3r and 2k square. So first I will multiply these 3 into 3r, so I will get 3 3s are 9r multiplied by 2k square. So 2 square is 4, and k square is k square, plus 2k cube, right. 2k cube is what? First I will do the cube of 2, then I will do the cube of k, right. So 2 square cube is 8, and k cube is k cube. So right now we will multiply this, right. That is 27 r cube we will write same, we will multiply this, right. So minus, right, 6 9s are, right. So 6 9s are we will do first, so I will get here 54, and then k and r square is there, right. So alphabetically k come first, so I will write k and then r square, then plus here we will multiply this. So 9 4s are 36, and r and k square is there, right. So we know that is k come first, so I will write here k square r, and then minus 8k cube, then plus here 27 r cube as it is. Here we will multiply this, same thing is there, so I will directly write the answer as 54 k r square again here also the same answer, that is plus 36 k square r and plus 8 k, right? So now in this step I will remove the brackets. That's what I will get. I will write here 27 r cube minus 54 k r square plus 36 k square r minus 8 k cube plus 27 r cube plus 54 k r square plus 36 k square r and plus 8 k cube, right? I hope it is visible to you, right? Then we will write the like terms, right? So that is here r cube and r cube is there, right? So we will write here 27 r cube plus 27 r cube, then minus 54 k r square, and here again plus 54 k r square. So I will write that plus 54 k r square, then plus 36 k square r and plus 36 k square, and then what is remaining? So minus 8 k cube is remaining, and here plus 8 k cube is remaining, right? So now I will take the next page. So now you can see this, that is here 27 r cube and 27 r cube, right? These are the like terms. Here these two are like terms, so I am underlining the like terms, right? So 27 r cube plus 27 r cube, right? So plus 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 is there, 27, right? Here 27 plus 27 is there, right? So 27 plus 27, you know, that is 54. So I will write here 54 r cube, here plus 54 r k r square plus minus 54 k r square plus 54 k r square, right? So plus minus will become minus and this will get cancelled. Here 36 k square r plus 36 k square r, right? So you know that is 36 plus 36, that is 72 k square r, right? And here minus 8 k cube plus 8 k cube, right? So these two will get cancelled, right? So this is our final answer, that is 54 r cube plus 72 r k square, right? I hope you have understood this, right? Thank you for watching.